Good morning, E-World. Oh, shit. Shit. What's going on? Good morning time, good afternoon time, good evening time, whatever the case may be in your part of the world. Yeah, and I know things look like helter-skelter up in here. Just want to give y'all, let me turn this down. Brief rundown on what's happening. I know I haven't posted any videos in a couple days. I've been hella busy. But just know that, man, I'm about to get real super busy up in here. I'm waiting on a ton of stuff that I'm ordering and ordered. This week has been very hectic. I'm finally selling my mom's house in Baltimore because my mom moved into my house. I would originally have been sold my house by now, and I would have been able to do what I've been wanting to do, but she moved in my house, so I ended up having to sell her house instead. But we finally were able to do that. So that's going to free up a little bit of funds, and those little bit of funds are going to allow me to do what I've been wanting to do. So stand by, stay tuned, and know that Frank is going to be re-erected in the most badass way possible. My bomber build is going down. I got some plans for this juice bike over here. And man, when I tell you I've been having a ball on that thing right there, I've been having a ball, man. I've almost been having such a good time on that electric MTB that it has almost made me so I just wanted to create the most badass MTB there is, because they are so versatile, and the fact that you can take that thing anywhere and it's a sleeper, nobody knows what's going on with it. People don't give you a hard time about it. It doesn't look like a regular e-bike, so it's not super scary. I'm thinking about taking this thing and 72 volting it. I can't imagine what kind of crazy machine this thing would be with 72 volts and without this little rinky-dink ass 15 amp controller. So I'm thinking of maybe like a phase runner, because that's still a small controller but packing enough power, plenty of power, that will make this thing get buck wild off the chain. And I was actually, before I was thinking about the phase runner, like I said, this is a scooter controller, and I have another one of those because this was a pair, of course, because most scooters are all-wheel drive. So the second controller, which is exactly like this one, plugs directly into this controller, and then you're able to run another motor. So if I was going to get another one of those 212 Grin Technology motors and put it on the front, that would probably give me enough power right there, even with the little 15 amps that they are, but with all-wheel drive. But like I said, I want to go for something crazy, so I'm going to go with a phase runner on that bad boy and a 72 volt UPP pack, and I'll pass that down to my son's bike. But I got some plans, man, And I also want to put this little bag on this bike and cover up that battery, so this will definitely be a sleeper. So if I pull up next to Onyx, a stock Onyx of course, and tear all the fur off of him, he won't know what happened. But anyway, I'm just talking crazy for right now. But yeah, I just want to give y'all a little bit of rundown on what's going on, why I haven't posted any videos lately, because you know I normally trying to post at least one video every day. Sometimes I post 2 or 3 videos a day, man, but it is what it is. So anyway, y'all take it easy. Some exciting things coming in the future to this channel. Take it easy, take care. Deuces.